Well, we didn't win the race. And by the way, Woody, you are a pretty smart feller.
Really?
Nope.
Oh.
And the crowd goes wild for Woody Woodpecker. And yeah, and moments and that's how we end it. Yeah, that's it. Well, I guess that's enough for this episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. Well, Woody, challenge him next. Make sure he hear him come near below so we can wait sec, huh?
Who is an idiot that putting the oil bear on a track? Huh?
Pink Feather did it. Grrr. Aw, crap.
2 minutes later.
Okay, Lucius, it's time for your test to cheating.
Okay, I like hard, but Chris has to disqualify me forever.
Who cares? Don't listen to him. Yeah, if you win, the victory will be ours. If you fail, that means we're gonna use another plan. With the laser camera. Yeah, okay, now ready, get set, go!
Oh, hello? Hi, this is Jimmy Two Shoes. Okay, I need you to activate the balloons. Okay, up and away.
I'm flying. I'm flying in the air. Now, fall back down.
And you win. Okay, now I'll test you for now. Get ready for the race for 3 days. Okay, 3 days, and I'm gonna show Chris McLean who's gonna get disqualified forever. After I disqualify him forever, our business will be booked into action. He's gonna... Wait a minute, is that Lucius? Let's just get down. Oh, okay. Thanks, Lindsay.
Yeah, and now it's cool. Yeah, how do you learn to do that? Yes, and I saw that Woodpecker could win. Yes, that was pretty cool. Yes, Captain. So, wait a minute, look. Look what? Is that the pirate villains? What's he doing here now? Again? And speaking of long last, has anyone seen Peter, Arg, and Walter? Sorry I was late. I was just trying to keep an eye on the workers. Oh, you do? Yes. And I put on all the earplugs so he'll never take him a break. Forever. Oh, alright, that's my favorite part. Yes. Wait, you're to keeping an eye on the workers? And you put all the earbuds to the workers to not listening time for a break? Yes. Yes, it is. Oh, good one. I like this part. So, why are we gonna take too long? Yeah, how long? Don't worry about that. Okay, I'll train you for, 3 days. Oh, okay, Dad. Sounds good to me. Okay, our plan will be put into action. Yes. And let's get out there and do it for Lucius.
Yeah.